Hello, my name is Gerald Vaughn. I hail from Rahway, New Jersey in the United States. I've been at Arkana Sacred Valley Retreat from February 23rd, and I will be leaving February 29th of 2020. Before I came here, the past couple of years was hard for me. I went through some stuff, some spiritual hindrance, if you want to call it that. I was at a dark place in my life for about 2 years prior to coming here, and along them 2 years, when I started coming out of my funk, I was doing research on ways I could better help myself and heal myself, because I desperately needed. The first step for me was getting to know me as a person, and step out of my depression, get out of my depression. The Serenity Prayer helped me a lot, and I got it tatted on my arm. It pretty much saved my life. So that brings me to coming into paths with ayahuasca. I did research on it, and I was like, this looks interesting. I wanna get some kind of spiritual redemption for myself, and I need to find who I really am. So I came across Arkana Sacred Valley Retreat, and let me tell you, the moment I stepped foot inside this place, I felt the embrace. You know, we came off the bus, and everybody was singing and clapping, and it was a good feeling. So from the jump, the first minute I got here, it was love, you know, and from then on, you adhere to a diet which helps you in the process of healing. And it's hard to explain it, but you know, over the past couple of days, and it's been a long week, even though it's only been 5 days, it's been long in the sense of I've been present, and they've been showing me, all the facilitators and shamans have been showing me how to be a better person, how to take on the ayahuasca and have it open my eyes, open my heart, open my soul, and for people who don't or are hesitant to come and have their world changed, all I would say to you is don't come here with an expectation of anything. The only expectation I would have for you is to come here with an open heart, open mind, open soul, because once you do that, this place will embrace you and show you so many things about yourself that you never knew, or maybe you've known, but the transformation hasn't occurred to you yet. I've learned stuff in me this week that I kind of felt deep down inside, but this has brought everything out in me. The ceremonies were sometimes intense. I would first do research on rape, sapo, ayahuasca, and wachuma. Do research and get to know what you're getting yourself into. It gives you what you need, not what you want. So just look at it as a transformation of yourself, a better self for you. Because at this point, I feel great, and I love everyone here. and before I came here, I love my family, but I wouldn't say I love strangers. So that just, you know, in itself made me feel that, you know, my path going forward and sticking with this and keep the work up is gonna make me a better person. And maybe I'll find my way back here. I don't know. I hope so. But the journey of my life, you know, I'm open to wherever it's gonna take me. Just if you decide to come here, please do. This is one of the best retreats I've ever been on in my life, probably the only one. But I feel love, and I want to give more love when I go back home to any and everybody I can. That's what this retreat has done for me. And I feel that I am a better person, and I am love, and I'm just gonna take it with me. Thank you.